Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday morning here in Samoa. Trust you are all well. Excuse me. Trust you are all well and doing good. Special fata love to our Ainga members. I don't think it's been quite a while since my last YouTube video, and apologies. I've actually got 2 episodes. Still, I haven't got to editing, and I don't know if this will come first or come last after the next 3, but I'm trying my best at the moment. It has been crazy busy here in Samoa. If you guys noticed, no, I don't think anyone's noticed because the other episodes haven't come out, but it's just us here at the house. Because Uncle Tuala is gone to New Zealand, but he'll be back soon. Just some family events taking place. So I think we're just doing a very small umu today. Hopefully small. Every time I say small, it ends up being big. But you know, we're trying our best. Got some breadfruit taro. We might do a bit of a soup. So hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. And yeah, see you soon. Alright, so just halfway through the taros. Ulus are done. I want to be honest with you guys that so that's why we're rushing in the morning at the moment. So well, because we were quite busy yesterday, we had to slaughter one of our other cows for a family event. So luckily we had Nelson that helped us, but man, we were tired yesterday. But that's why we're doing it this morning. But we'll see. But you know, that's why. Alright fam, a lot of things took place in the past half an hour. And then we popped in the store to grab some chicken and sausages. I thought, you know, might as well BBQ. You know, the kids' school this year did pretty well. So Bo came 3rd in her class. Fui came 1st in her class. Siave 13, Lawina 18, and Loy is graduating. So, you know, it's not much of a barbecue, but you know, it's only 5 kai for ikamiki. So I thought, you know what? Let's do just a small barbecue. Hence why we had to run back to the store. So lela fa umaukalo or not? Lela pusa le mukosa lela fa umne. Alright, so just finished doing the luaus there. Ka mga valu popo siave, so kopet kahunga, we just found out the linka wanga, but there's a kinkanga here. Just a sack. So we'll use that and just use the usual twisting method. Alright, so this is the kinkanga we'll use, and I'll show you guys how we're doing it. Alright fam, most of it's done. I was gonna find my ma the ulus, but not find my cows here. But because of the Samoan Umu and hardly a lipa. Yeah, listen to me, I cow for pera. So let la Samoan Umu come. the umu on. Probably give it 40 minutes because so that's why we're giving it a bit of more time. We've also got the super mamoe there running simultaneously, so when we had to remove the fafis, we placed it into the kaingafi for the supu. All that's left is the barbecue, so we'll get started on that soon, but just gonna take a quick break. So just chopped up some pumpkin there for the supu mamoe. See over there just stoking the fire. I don't think I'll make it a church today, so we'll just carry on with cooking for now. I didn't see those writings up there. Anyway. We've also, so you might be wondering what the second pot is. The second pot is part of the lungs and some beef tallow from the cow we slaughtered, which is, we're doing it for the dogs. So that's in that other, that's the one next to it. But the soup is going well. Probably get to marinating the stuff now, and then fu'elumu, and then come back to the soup. Alright, marinade is done. Black pepper, kikoman sauce, garlic, onion, and a bit of chili flakes. So we're going to let that marinade. Probably an hour. And see if we come. See it. Yeah, singali pupu kapu patonua. Very good. We lost one Luau casualty. But all of these Luau kwa patonua. Masiaki ka mamoe. Ulu yam kwa okay. Yo hui kalo so. Vela pa lang yun mi so. Patonua. Very nice umutama. Alright, so you might be wondering, but I'm okay because so so we thought might as well for si kama wakule apanga kong kalua. We'll get back to you, but I just need to hop out here. Yeah, better than makama. So this is why I'm happy. This is me lumang fa makaus. Kaholo fa pera, likaw fa ma. Kalo kama. Fiesiakil ka koma mo dia.
Mamo por luau.
De luau ma. Come on, mate. Jadi ya si imele I kakeshiaki ya yang ababa veyoli. mo ia lai mu lai bu a o mamoe ia so le makwa vela si kufu kufu kama right quite crispy ka mai kit kasi focus mai lai yeah so okay welcome Mama mai no. Pe nga vidi dum le.
Feu.
Kau vidi. Kan ko. Ngal ko fa. Ai mau.
Oh.
It's good. It's nice. See for kau. Alright team, lewo omega ko BBQ. Ole aso uma kuni mangolo mukang ka ambil ko in. Umale umukayao me ole supo. For my BBQ. So just a half gallon that was here. So we're going to use it, build the fire inside. Yeah, that way lo lunga me BBQ white. Over there just gathering some coconut shells for the fire. Alright, now that it's on, we're going to pile up the coconut shells. Alright, this is getting a bit out of control than what I expected, but it's alright. Yeah. Oh, for the kids, you know. Papi kiling ilili mga kamik. Laban BBQ. Ay luway pingi masingasalak pag ikamangay kamik. Yes, it go from walk and then we'll come back. Via ay killer myth. One thing I've learned at work is that you always have to carry out a bit of a risk assessment. And in hindsight now, the risk o fafie au kafai a ole umukuka ko kiki pala po wale au lamala. Kwa risky al mede fai, but that's why I'm going to control the flame a bit. I will wait kasi ko kungi popo so that it go fi mo boom. Sa video like ko kulay ya fa pe ya alay ko malpay laki. I monitor. Ngale monitor o ko keso nga pad makwa risk yan mede ko pui. Ay magkawa yan. Very smoky. Inga koe sala koe se siringo ule koe asule la olai fei loko. But everything looks good. I'm gonna heat it up a bit and then la'loi lunga mea. Alright, so I've got a little water bottle here. Put a hole on the top. So every time that it starts to flame out, just squeeze and then it puts it out. Alright. Now I did actually put away some of these chicken skin, and these are for the dogs, so we'll just pop that in the corner there where they will slow roast. Mangay maile. Wow, alay fay for lako the beef tallow and the lungs from yesterday's cow slaughtering we did. All right, now we're gonna lau on top of the chicken. Mamoe friend. Oh, it smells amazing. Seriously. Tao iwang fa sala yung okay giya gili aswa ko look. So we've actually just covered this. It's one of the covers for another smoker we had, so I might as well use it here just to control the smoke a bit, because gosh, what a minute. Fam, so second and final batch on. Let the sausages on the side. Looking very nice, very good. It's actually quite spicy though. Almost done. Then alright fam, so just finished with the barbecue. I'm just stoking the fire again. Si fakiki the dog food from yesterday's cow slaughter. And then that way and then we'll head to have tonight. Alright fam, so we finally finished with the umu and the food, so we're going to show you guys the results, and hope you guys enjoy it. So over here we've got our mamoe in luau with chili flakes, black pepper and salt. Got our barbecue chicken and sausages. We've got our luau here, very nice luau. And then we've got our ulu, and then our lamb neck soup. All right. Oh yeah, guys, I'm just gonna film the tonight with the family. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's content. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a great week. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. See you guys soon.